how to save a Google form. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily save a Google form on your PC. So what you can do is simply search in for Google form by heading over to any of your browser and make sure you have successfully signed into your account. Then you will be redirected to this page. So once you're inside here, just click on any of your created random forms, or if you haven't created, you can simply create it by using the templates over here, or you can simply use it from the create from the blank form over here. So as I've already created one, so I'll just click on my draft. So as you can see, I've selected this exam related form. So what I can do is to save it, simply head over to response option over here and just click on this three dot icon, and you will get the option to download it. As you can see, it hasn't got any responses, so I can't download it right now because of its zero responses. So once you get responses, you can simply click on this and download this from over here, and it should be available on your drive when you move on to your drive, just like this. So as you can see, so that is exactly how you can easily save a Google form on your PC. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.